And now for something completely different. And now to wobble the camera. The good old wobbly camera's back. Yes, welcome back to Models by Me. This time we will be unboxing a Bandai Sleeping Eevee in whatever scale this is. So we'll do this in a semi-usual manner of starting with the outside of the box, then the contents, have a look at the instructions, the sprues, or what appears to be two of them on the box, and then final thoughts at the end. I'm not doing any history on this thing. It's Pokemon. It's been around since 95, 96. The kit itself has been around since, for the last 3 years actually. It's 2021. I'm not doing the history on Pokemon. There's dedicated channels all about Pokemon. I'm not going into the history of it. So without further ado, let's continue with this unboxing. Alright, so outside of the box, so we've got at the top here, Bandai Namco, Pokemon, tells you it's number 7 of the range. Eevee in the middle, and you should be able to literally snap by hand, fit the pieces together, and then finish it all without any glue or pliers, or any £12. Gosh, what did they put this on with? Super glue? Yeah. Apparently for 16 parts total. Oh yes, there's a 2021. On the side here we got Eevee, Sleeping Eevee, number 7. Some more Japanese as well. It's got the serial number there as well. So you can tell I've done one of these for a long time. How to assemble it again and put together with, of course, there's going to be a Pikachu. That's literally the same as the other side. Whole bunch of information. Age of 6 and up. Well, I suppose because it's 6 or up, so there ain't going to be any 0 to 3 sad onions. Underside, plain old box. Okay. This is also the first time I'm actually unboxing this, so let's unbox it. Oh, there's actually some writing in there. So we got one baggie with all 2 sprues in it. Very nice. And okay, you can tell. Yeah. Okay, your instructions. And that's it. Well, there's definitely one way of doing it. Instructions. So, start off with putting something onto the side of Eevee's head, followed by putting the 2 sides of the head together. Put the 2 sides of the ears together. Finally, putting the ears on the side of the head. Next, upper and lower parts of the body put together. Put on the rear paws. Yep, the 2 paws at the rear. As well as put the stickers on. Next, you need to fluff up Eevee, so put all the fluff on the side. Bottom top as well. put Eevee's head on as well as the tail. And that's it. This is going to be a very short video. Sprue time! So, that piece at the beginning, which I wasn't sure what it was. It's the eyes, nose and mouth bit. So, 2 sprues, plus some stickers. They're actual stickers, not transfers I'm probably more used to. So, detail, eye dog. Dog's come to say hello, wondering what I'm doing. Detail on the sprues. A little bit of detail here and there. Not too bad. Fluff looks nice. And then Eevee's body. Yeah, pretty much the same. I can't do much because it's literally smooth plastic, but the one thing I'm quite impressed with is that literally moulded in, or was that? Yeah, so it looks like they've actually moulded the plastic into each other. So they've done the brown first. There's actually casting date there as well. Interesting. So I'm guessing they must have done the pale brown first, and then did the dark brown and the black separately, but had it so it just moulded itself straight into the pale brown, including the white here. Okay, cream, not white, but yeah. Nothing much on the inside, though it is very much push fit together. And for those that like it, you get your toe beans. There you go. Snap by hand, fit it together and finish it. Because it's apparently such a simple kit, let's have a look. So I need A2. Oh, I see, right. So just for clarity, A2 is the sprue, which you can make out just about here. It says A2, so the other one, yes, A1. So you want A2 part 8. I'm not going to do what I normally do with these build videos and have the instructions in between, because what instructions? Right. Snap. Snap. The snaps are quite clean. Okay, so this goes on the back of Eevee's... No, front of Eevee's head. A little bit there, a bit more there. Okay, so it's not as clean. Bubbly casting here. Okay. By the gap here, when you're going to put the sticker over it. Save on plastic, maybe? One Sleeping Eevee. There we go. Extra bonus for you. So, final thoughts. If you fancy a really quick and easy kit, the Bandai Pokemon range is a way to go. Of course, if you're into Pokemon. If you're not into Pokemon, it might not interest you as much. But very simple, easy kit to put together. Might as well do my scores. So, skill level 1 to 5. 1 being beginner, 3 being intermediate, 5 like master. This is clearly a 1. This is an entry level model for potentially, say, young kids. It says no younger than 6, but with supervision, goes together really well. Yeah, so 1, as you saw, it's a very simple, easy push fit kit to put together. Interior detail. Non-existent. There's no hearts, lungs, liver, kidneys. So, that's not happening on that one. Exterior detail. It's a nice little kit. You can clearly see the fluff. You can make out the body and the tail, and the fluff on Eevee's head. The fact they've even given you the toe beans as well underneath, and well, Eevee's going to be like that all the time, so you're not going to. Almost also he wants to give him a belly rub there, but nah, it's oops there. Yeah, I'll give it a 3. Not a bad little kit. So if you've enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment below. Have you made one of these before? Have you got any of the others? Because I know there's a lot more to the range than just Eevee and Pikachu. And subscribe for more videos. I will try to get back into these a bit more often than I have been for this year. It's been a bit of a hectic year so far. So I'm hoping to get back into things just in time for Christmas. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, bye.